Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at Pic Flip from Mattel. This is a card game for 2 to 6 players ages 7 and up. And this was about 2019 or so. You can still find these in the stores. So let's see what we've got here. It's 110 cards plus instructions. And it's supposed to be pretty easy. So let's take a look at what we've got in here. Packaging's kind of garbage, quite frankly. Alright, we've got 2 stacks and our instructions. Should be a total of 104 playing cards and 6 cover cards. And the object is to get rid of all your cards. So the instructions are just this fold-out thing. One-sided, not really exciting. They probably could have cut that down in half if they'd made it double-sided, but that would have cost an extra penny. This is real cheap paper. That's trash. Alright, so let's start with the yellow deck here. I think there's only a couple of them that are actually yellow. That's the 6 cover cards, I believe. Sorry about that. It's my phone. Alright, so we'll start with the 6 cover cards. These just say Pic Flip on them. That's it. It's riveting stuff right there. It's upside down. One side says Mattel, the other side does not. So if you've seen one, you've seen all 6. So that's those. Let's take a look at the regular cards. There's 104 of these between 2 stacks. So let's see what we've got here. These are just image cards. So they're not numbered or anything productive like that. So if you're missing some, you'll want to keep an eye out for which ones you have and which ones you don't. You may want to pause the video to compare the deck you bought with the one I've got if you think you're missing some of these. So you can figure out which ones you might be missing. These go for about $6 a pack. So that's new. I don't know what you're going to end up paying for them if you get them used, but you'll definitely want to count the cards to make sure everything's there, especially because they're not numbered or anything. Some of these cards are really thick. They feel like there's multiple cards stuck together on some of these. So they did make these to be handled quite a bit, so that's nice. And the last card from Zach 1 is a yo-yo and pen. Alright, let's get those out of the way and open up our other deck. And finally, a bear and a frisbee. Alright, that is what is inside the 2019 Mattel Pic Flip. Ages 2 to 6. I'm sorry, 2 to 6 players, ages 7 and up. It looks like an easy enough game. The cards are really, really nice quality, very good thickness. Definitely will hold up, but you want to make sure all 110 cards are there. 106 Pic Flip cards, and these 6 yellow pick cards. So yeah, definitely a really nice set for the cost, which surprises me. Usually they try and cut corners, but this time they didn't. But we've seen what's inside. I would say it's a good game. That's my take on it. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description for ways to support me. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.